behind the camera today, and we are here at RVX in Salt Lake City, Utah, and we were lucky enough to be able to sit down with SnapPad today and ask them some questions. So this is Kent and Devin, the CMO and COO of SnapPad, and we will be lightly grilling you today.
Okay, we're ready.
Perfect. So I did want to first thank you for sitting down with us. We really appreciate your time.
Our pleasure, yeah.
I think that the most logical first question would be, what are SnapPads?
Ken, you want to take it? Yeah, so they're permanent jack pads. You know, everything else on the market before what we did was you put it underneath the jack and then you have to pick it up and maybe you have to dig it out of the mud and you got to store it. So we figured there was a better way to do it, and now they just snap on and stay on.
Perfect.
Yeah. And
you call them permanent jack pads, but if someone did want to take them off for any reason, like they're selling their coach or they're in for maintenance and they just want them off, is that still possible? Or
Absolutely, yeah. There's a couple different ways to take them off. So we designed them with a bolt access hole on the bottom. So if you want to take the whole foot off, you can just get in there with the ratchet, take the bolt off, or you can, similar to a tire, peel one side of the edge off and work your way around the perimeter to get them off if you want. We don't really recommend that because you could potentially damage the lip, but we've had plenty of customers that do it and reinstall it and it works just fine. So yeah, those are kind of your two options, and we have had a number of customers that have bought two RVs and take their SnapPads off and keep putting them on new ones. So
okay, perfect.
Yeah.
And what are they made out of?
They're made out of recycled rubber. We're very proud to say.
Recycled tires.
Recycled tires mainly. So they're also 100% US recycled tires. So shipped from overseas. They're made in the US from US material.
Okay. Yeah. And where are they made then?
They're made in Mishawaka, Indiana. Really close to Elkhart, as we all know, which is the heart of the RV
industry.
Universe.
Okay. Yeah. Cool. I know I saw that written down, Mishawaka, and I was like, I'm going to have to ask, because I don't know how to say that. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. And then putting them on, do you need any special tools or a lot of time, or how do you get these on your rig?
Usually it's really simple.
Yeah, I tried to make it as simple as possible.
Yeah. Generally you just line them up underneath the jack, lower them and snap them into place. Use the weight of the RV to do so. We generally recommend adding liquid dish soap or something like that around the rim to help
move the operation.
Process. Yeah, exactly. And that's pretty much it. Then once they're on there, it's good to go.
Yeah. Perfect.
It usually takes about 15 minutes if you have two people. So one person operating the system, the other person lining them up, and snaps on, and that's it.
Yeah. I threw that question in for those of you out there who aren't sure about it, but if you do want to see the whole process, we do have SnapPads on our rig, so we will link our video of our SnapPad review, and you can actually see us putting them on, and I can attest that they are very easy to put on. So even though I knew the answer, I still had to ask that question.
Thanks, Ray.
All right, so then moving on, how heavy are your SnapPads? Because I know you have multiple different sizes.
Sure, they range in weight from almost 9 pounds all the way down to just over 3 pounds, almost 3.5 pounds.
Okay.
Kind of everything in between. So our big beefy ones are 8.9 pounds if you want to get really specific about it.
Yes.
And then I think 3.1 to 3.4 those are part of our new smaller version. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So if someone was curious if they fit on their rig, or because you do make them for motorhomes and towables, so how could they find out if SnapPads work on their rig?
Sure, Kent, you want to take that one?
Yeah, so we started out with just the 9-inch round pads that was common to fifth wheels, but we've been expanding out. So as we've done that and people have bought them, we've been creating a master list of compatible rigs. So you can go to our website and we have something called Submit Your Rig, where you can send us what you have and we can make recommendations.
Okay.
Or we actually have a search tool on our website now, which you can enter your rig details, and if it's on our master list, it will tell you this is compatible.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. And you did just come out, I saw, with 2 new pads recently. Can you elaborate on those two and what rigs they're for?
Yeah, sure. Sure. Well, the 2 specific ones, they're actually both for square, or, well, some people call them square. Some of them are octagon. They've got the corners kind of taken off. They're more for smaller Class C and Class B rigs.
Okay.
Kind of 7-inch octagon or square pad is one we've made, and then another one was specific for equalizer landing feet, which are more on horse trailers.
Yeah.
That one's kind of 8-inch square as well, so just a little bit bigger version of a the smaller square version.
Perfect.
Yep.
And you guys did just release a new website, so I've been creeping on it. It's actually really pretty. I'm very happy
Thank you.
with it.
Yeah.
So I did want to mention that they have a new website, RVSnapPad.com. You can go check it out. And they even have, I'll just brag for you guys, okay? They even have a new page where you can submit your reviews if you already have SnapPads, but I actually think it's more beneficial for the people who don't have SnapPads to go see the submissions there, and people are uploading their pictures of their SnapPads and their rigs and writing reviews, and that's just a great way to get a feel for the product, get a feel for the customer service, because they do write reviews about their team there at SnapPad as well. So I would say just check out the website. They have loads of information there if it fits your rig, and you can obviously see what other customers think of the product as well.
And if you do send us a good review, there's a chance we'll send you some SnapPad swag.
Ooh. And before I forget, if you are already convinced and you know you want your SnapPads, you can use our coupon code Getaway10 for 10% off. They were kind enough to reactivate that coupon code for us here at RVX, so you better go snag that before it's too late and get 10% off your SnapPads. All right, so if you have any other questions, you can leave them in the comments here, or better yet, go straight to the source at rvsnappad.com. You can submit your questions there, and these guys will get back to you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our Getaway Gang so you don't miss any other coupon codes or exciting companies. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
All right, whenever you're ready.
Okay, can you see all three of us? Can I look at it real quick?
She doesn't trust you.
No, I...
No, she hasn't trusted me our entire relationship.
Okay.
Good timing.
Yeah,
thanks for your
perfect. I like it when that actually works out. All right, did I forget anything? Okay.
Pretty good.
Yeah, let me just close it out. Oh, perfect timing again. This never happens.
Wow.
You guys.
Yeah, I'm sure when you're filming stuff.
And all
Gotta
of
do it
always, yeah.
times.
Yeah, we do.
That's where we get all of our bloopers from.